Okay, so we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem to work out x, because I know this length is 12, this is 16, and x is the hypotenuse. So I'm trying to work out the hypotenuse, so we square root the sum of the squares, so 16 squared plus 12 squared. And when you put that in your calculator, you get 20. The units is kilometers, so they're 20 kilometers apart. B. What is the bearing of the first yacht from the second? So, if you read the question, it says that the first one sails 12 kilometers. So this is the first yacht. The other is 16 in the second, in the direction of 128. So that's where the second yacht is at the end. We want to know bearing of the first yacht from the second. So starting from the second, we're going to draw a north-south line in. And it's going to be the bearing starting from north, going clockwise until we hit the line connecting where the first boat is. So it says answer is a compass bearing and a true bearing, and I'm going to put to the nearest degree. Okay, because it doesn't tell me rounding. Alright, so I think that the obvious easy thing is if I can work out this angle here by using the right angle triangle and using some trigonometry. And also, I know that this is 270. If I know this extra angle here, that'll be useful. And we can use alternate angles here. They're alternate. 128 is all the way from north to here. So if you minus 90 from that, if you minus 90, you'll get 38. So this angle here is 38 degrees. So by alternate angles, this must be also 38 degrees. So the bearing's going to be 270 plus 38 plus theta. Okay, but let's work out what theta is first. So using this triangle here, you can use whatever ratio you want. I'm going to use tan. You can use whatever ratio because you know all three sides, right? So you can do whatever. I'm going to use tan. Theta is opposite over adjacent, which is 12 over 16. So therefore theta is going to be inverse tan 12 on 16. And I get 864. And because it says nearest degree, I can round it. So 37 degrees, nearest degree. Okay, that's not the bearing though. The bearing, we'll do a true bearing first. True bearing. Starting from north going round, it's going to be 270 plus the 38 plus the theta, which is 37. So 270 plus 38 plus 37. And when you do that, you get 345 degrees. So the true bearing is 345 degrees to the nearest degree. And the question did also say, what is the compass bearing? So compass bearing, it's clearly going to be north. If this is 345, this angle here is going to be 15, right? So it's north 15 degrees towards west. Okay, so that's the compass bearing, and that's the true bearing. Alright, rest of the period to work on 2.6, and your homework is going to be 2.1, 2.4, 2.6, and 2.7. They're the 4 exercises we've done this period. That'll be homework for tomorrow. Okay, all the best for the remainder of the period. Hopefully I'll be in class tomorrow.